Data analysts, myth versus reality. Have you always wondered what data analysts do? Do you confuse data analytics with mathematics? Data science as a career can be confusing if you don't know about the various domains involved. So let's get the facts right by busting some myths about data analysts. Myth number 1. Data analysts are the masters of mathematics. Reality. Even if maths has never been your favorite subject, there are many resources that can teach you the art of data analytics, and all they require is a logical mindset. Myth number 2. Analytics takes a lot of time, like a lot. Reality. Analytics takes a lot of time only when you're trying to find a new solution. It's pretty quick to measure those metrics once you know what you're looking for or have set logics in place. 3. Analytics won't tell you anything you don't already know. Reality. Metrics vary with every campaign, and the only way to be sure of any campaign's fate is to sit down and measure the metrics. Number 4. Your company isn't big enough to need any analyses. Reality. For a smaller organization, data analytics helps find out whether you're growing in the desired direction. Myth number 5. Every single metric counts and needs to be reported. Reality. As data analysts, you will first sit down with the business team to understand the exact requirements that help in deciding the critical metrics for the task at hand. That's all for now. We hope you enjoyed knowing the reality of data analytics. Stay tuned and we'll be back with more such mythbusters.